Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We're doing the second night at the Christmas cabin. Reginae Carter, let's get into it.
What?
And if you miss, you take a shot.
Who made that
Jay,
up?
you definitely just made that up, huh?
Okay. I can see us.
Alright, so you gotta stand behind the couch. Behind the couch? Yeah. Can you see it? Okay. Let me see stand behind the couch. Let me see if they can see.
Hey!
Yeah, baby.
Can you toss me some chips, princess?
Yeah, what type of chips you want?
I don't even know. Just some good ones.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you the ones that you had yesterday.
Savage.
Yeah.
Savage, bro. You want a
Okay,
chip?
so. Roof drop.
They probably do.
Stand.
And eat a nugget.
So the two people.
Oh, it's two teams. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
No, right here. We stand in the thing. Who makes the drop first?
So we need all our things though.
Oh yeah.
Cause I ain't running over there.
Y'all not playing for no money?
That depends.
Let me
That's
turn
what
it up.
Okay, we play for money. That's what we play for.
Okay.
That is our rooftop drop thing. Okay, so I need to get my green.
I said and shots.
Okay, so, all right. How many you make is
$100.
no $10 each.
No.
How many? Babe.
Let's sponsor the video.
So how many you make is $10 each.
Okay.
No.
He said bull.
Y'all gotta really be trying to make it
That's not $100. He said
Oh,
no.
I love $10.
Yeah, but y'all gotta really be trying to make it. $100, y'all gonna try to make it.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Okay.
That's a good one.
Come on.
At the same
All right,
time,
all
let's
right.
do this. At the same time.
Okay, who you think gonna get this one? I don't even know all these ladies' names. So hey, girls.
Huh?
At the same time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
At the same time.
Wait.
No way.
No 100.
Oh.
No 100.
Damn.
Oh. Oh.
I'm glad y'all wouldn't bet no 100.
No 100.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh man.
Who next?
Well, man, you're a dookie. Come on.
Wait. Okay. All right, Rhonda. Which one you have? Okay. All right, here I go.
All right, we want 100. Y'all ready?
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, it's moving.
Oh.
Go, Reginae.
Oh. Oh, she won 100. See, hold on. She won her. All right, let's go. You got her 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's go. We going again.
So let me try to go first.
So we're starting to get real in here now. Oh!
And not let me play it.
What you mean?
How can I do the 500?
Because your friend, you just said you was in the Christmas giving
No, I
spirit.
said, I'm
So,
let's
you just
go.
gonna be in the Christmas
Let's
spirit.
go. I want to do 500.
Me and the
Watch
guys
her get
gonna
down
do
here and get 500. Because he's scared of me. That's why, y'all. He's really scared of me, huh?
You ain't even made one.
He really.
Look.
That time, Reginae.
He really scared of me, though, y'all. No, for real though, he really
What's
scared
going
of me.
on?
He don't want to get at it. He don't.
Do it, bro.
Come on.
fine.
It was?
It was right there.
No.
Oh.
Oh, okay, look. Okay, look. Armand is scared that I'm going to beat him, so that's why he don't want to do the 500 with me. All right, come on, man. Let's go against each other. Come on.
My idea was them go against each other.
Not doing it. Let's go.
I only got 3 of these though.
Ha! Give me my 5.
Yeah, why did you say?
All right, give me my 5.
Where my other 4 at?
Ooh, give me my 5.
Where my 4 at?
You only got 3.
Oh, it's only 3 of them?
Yeah. Give me my 5, though. Nah.
Babe, come on, man. You can't gamble
Give
with her.
me my 5.
You gotta.
Why you don't want to gamble with me, y'all? Give me my 5.
I
Yes.
can't gamble with
Nah,
you.
you talking. Give me my 5. Yes.
Shake out her body, bro.
Shit, get serious. You want to run it again? Shit, get serious.
Run it again?
She gonna lose to me.
All right, for real. This for real, for real. We upping it up since he don't think that I could do it to 500.
Y'all been behind.
Better 500. If I lose, I'll give him the 500.
I think y'all should do 1,000.
No, I mean every 500, everyone you go 500.
Okay.
All right.
Wow, y'all really playing games, huh? I mean, I don't know. I think Armand been playing basketball at some point, you know. So I don't know if she want to go no 1,000.
Let's go.
Babe, come on.
All right. No.
What I do, bitch?
You better lock in.
Oh, man.
Before I
Y'all
tweak out.
folding.
You better lock in.
No.
Yeah.
That shit
Try this them back.
Come on. No, we about to run it back. Because it ain't nothing.
She done matched up,
Y'all
bro.
ain't nothing. It ain't nothing.
Oh, too close.
Hold on, wait. Let me tie this around. Hold up, y'all.
Now, since you think you gonna call me out,
Yeah, come
now
on.
you finna get that ass
All
whooped.
right, come on.
Since you don't know how to just chill out.
Come on.
Since you don't know how to chill out.
Yeah. Come on,
Get
go.
that ass whooped.
Let's go. You know we both competitive. Let's go. Now, fill it up a little bit because it's falling off the table. We ain't cheating, just.
She needed to be
All
there.
right.
Let's go. That's an air ball. That's an air ball. I can feel it.
Okay. What's up?
That's 500.
No. All right, but guess
I'm on your
what?
ass.
This 500.
Not enough.
All right.
That's an air ball too.
5. Ooh, I was close.
Air ball.
I'm scared.
That one was.
You
I'm
scared of me?
scared.
Never.
I'm
No
scared
fear.
of them, y'all.
No fear.
Come on.
What you do? Watch that.
Hey.
I ain't gonna lie.
There's no fear.
Hey, I'm scared.
Don't give me the red.
She
Then I'm
closer to
gonna
you.
hit one.
Let me
She
try
go
it.
500.
All right, here we go.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Let me go first.
If she do shoot one in,
I
I'm
love
follow.
you. You know you probably love. 5.
But you still been air
You
ball.
just really
That's
just-
trying to take my
You
swag.
fucked up.
That's trying to take my swag. That's 500.
Nah.
Man, I'm telling you.
This
son.
500.
Oh!
Go, Mom.
Oh!
And do you want to make it 1,000?
Yeah, we'll make it 1,000.
Armand got to follow through. Okay.
Almost.
Okay, come on. That's 500. I'm in town. I'm 500. Okay, so what you fuck up to represent the girl?
I told you.
Is you represent the
I
girl?
represented.
Babe, come on.
I'm
Y'all
with my
Y'all
girl.
buy, honey.
You really
Y'all,
got
but we want to put the money on the table?
We can put the money on.
You want to put the money on the table? Let's put the money on it.
Don't say I'm watching the bullshit.
Come
Give
on.
me my 5.
Come on.
Come on, let's go.
Why I feel like I'm looking at more than 3 in your hand. Okay.
All right.
I'm just saying. Go ahead and hug the couch. You know, you need to be up there for you to make it.
All right.
You feel me? Go hug the couch. That's terrible.
It's okay.
I'm going to get my 500 back.
All right. No, you're
I
not.
see y'all got to shoot it.
I think I'm gonna just get a.
All
Alright, let me stop playing.
Yeah, you should. You should.
First,
Oh, he got
You got
that.
it?
He got
You
that.
should. You should.
Okay, well,
I'm about to start
alright,
hitting.
let's do it again.
You should stop playing now. You should stop playing with me right now. Because I'm about to start hitting. And it's about to look like I'm cheating and bullying on you.
Let
You
me get
feel me?
my
How about that? How about that?
He losing. He's starting to feel some kind of way. Get him, Reginae.
How about that?
No,
No, you ain't got, no, we even. Remember, I owed you 500.
I know, I'm saying.
Oh, you want to get 5? Oh,
I'm
now you want
getting
some money. Now I'm going first. Oh,
Oh, shit.
I just told her. I'm bullying her. Now it's going to look like I'm bullying her. Y'all. Oh, he going double.
Right here, though.
Oh.
One more.
No, ma'am. That's 500 in her pocket.
Yeah.
I just told her.
It's okay, one more time.
I just told her.
One more time.
I just
It's
told her.
okay, one more
I
time.
told her.
It's neither than
Your
one of lose.
boyfriend don't want to do that. go.
One more time. Okay, so what, I owe you 500?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, what the fuck? No, this is how you gamble, bitch. You don't know? This is how you gamble. Hey, yo. Bitch, you gotta make this extra.
That ain't enough, baby.
Yeah.
That ain't enough. What's that? What's that?
The fade away, Armand.
That's $1. That's $1. I told her. She might as well stop now.
Now I'm about to get my money back.
What's your money, sis?
Hey, I told her. They don't do that. Now she done woke me up. That's a band. Hold on, baby. You go 1,500.
No.
You were just so scared. You were just so scared. That's airboy. I'm gonna lie to you. Ooh.
He fade away and shit.
That's all right. There we go.
Nah, here go though.
You're so close. You're
Guess
so
what though?
close.
Let me get the red.
You're
The whole thing is every time they hit, it moved back some. So it wasn't actually right there. It was further up on the table, so they need to move it back.
so close, Yo.
Let me get the red.
Huh?
Yeah.
You need the red, huh?
Yeah.
I think I need the green. You wanna know why?
Really, I think it's hot. That's what's going on right now.
You don't want me to get this angle because then it's nothing but. Oh, ooh, that was too strong.
Right here?
That's all. I can
Alright.
see.
Right here.
That's all.
Ooh, that's the money.
Right here.
Right here. But that is
One more.
I'm in there 1,000.
We doing one more.
I'm in there 1,000. You gonna give up off the bag? She gonna give me the 1,000, huh?
No, I said
all right,
add
since you said this is the last one, he go 1,500.
No, this ain't the last
Since you wanna give up,
No.
I'm gonna push it to 1,500.
500. Alright, now.
I'm gonna push it to 1,500.
Oh, wait.
There we go.
Wait. Y'all gotta move it. Move it out.
Oh!
I got my 500 back.
You got your 500.
I got my 500
in your pockets.
What's my
That's right, girl. Now you back at 0, girl.
I got your 500 in your pocket. And I bet my man's beat any one of your girls for 500.
Let me get
now.
1,000 back since I'm
Oh,
already in
now
the
she don't know when to stop.
Come on.
She don't know when to stop.
Alright. Yeah, no.
She don't know when to stop.
Wait a minute.
Go ahead.
Alright.
Go ahead. I'm still 500 and if she
She
want to
might
get
not
that
look at the wrist in there though. Hold on.
That's too hard.
Alright.
I'm gonna push it back up. I'm gonna make it hard for her.
5,000? No.
I'm gonna make it hard for her. That's all.
It's Jay catching them. It's okay. But I'm gonna get it again.
She not doing it.
That's how you
She needs to learn when
I'm
to
not
stop.
playing with
I need my 1,000.
No.
Now I'm not missing. Now I'm not missing.
Oh
Come on. Go first.
Hey, it's not. I'm
Go
not
first.
playing. This is real
Go first.
Sagittarius.
Round 48.
This is Taurus. This is some
Go
real
first.
Sagittarius.
This is round
shit.
48.
They do.
Alright.
Too hard. You ever heard of that?
Alright.
You ever heard of too hard?
Alright.
Ooh.
My 1,000 back.
Hey, she.
And guess what? 1,500? You want it?
Yeah. Show me something.
Nah, she's different.
Oh my God.
I'm following.
This was a radio right
I'm
here?
following her. I'm following her. No!
And I got it.
So y'all
We
bring
even, yeah.
I got it back.
She got it back.
So I owe him.
bags, y'all.
And I got it back. So that's okay.
Y'all look at these bags. They done fucked up the bags. Strings everywhere.
She was just down 1,000.
You got
She was just down 1,000.
I got
She don't
1,000.
wanna do
It's
that.
giving.
What's up with your homegirls though?
What you do?
What you mean?
You started playing Reginae now. You talking all that mad noise, Armand. Now she winning. Now you trying to bring her girls into it and bet on your dudes. Like, okay.
What's up with your homeboy?
Like, what you mean?
Oh, my man's just said, I go get Mandra, I go get Jay, I go get whoever. I got
Montreal just keep
Jay,
it.
That nigga not playing.
Jay, you know you good at this.
I'll play.
Playing.
Oh, you ain't get your 100.
We putting that Chi up, man. I got Chi on my man's beat any one of y'all right now.
Come on.
I don't like how he's talking. It's like,
Let's go.
hey,
Let's go. Let's get it. On the wood. How much you
Before
bet,
you do
man?
the Chi, give me mine because he just got beat.
Girl, did you forget you was down $1,000? We're even.
But did you forget that I got my
We're even.
shit?
You ain't going in my pocket.
I got it back though.
Nah,
Armand, stop cheating. Stop capping. That girl won. You owe her $1,000. Let's not do this.
you keep on playing on foot.
I'm gonna sit my
All right, where we at?
It's on tape. I got you, Reginae.
Wait on. What you bet on? We saw betting.
Alright, I'm betting. What you betting?
I'll put up 100, 200, 300, whatever. Let's do it. I'll put up 100 on my man's right now.
I put up this 100.
Get her out of here.
I put up 100
Give it to her.
Oh my God. I put up that 100. He's talking crazy.
That's all?
Yeah, that's it.
Give it
The
the money.
1,000 coming
Give
later.
the money.
The 1K coming later.
We're gonna see.
Stop playing. I'm the bad
3,
person.
4, 5. Boom. That's the money person.
All right,
Let's go, bro.
all right,
I'm not playing with you. Let's go.
All right.
Let's go.
Hey, come on now.
Let's go.
Oh, shit. Wait, fix
Hold on.
Let
We
me
gotta
fix
fix
it.
it. Don't cheat.
Let me fix
Don't cheat. There's money on the line.
Yeah.
Let's go, twin. Oh yeah. This is gonna be a long night.
Wait. Make sure about to get
This is gonna be a long night. This is gonna be a long night.
Oh, you got it?
Come on now. What she get? An extra man?
All right. That should fall to work. Okay. Oh. Okay. Wait. Fix it.
Yeah, it's coming off. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta head out.
This the last one? All right, make it count, Jay.
Oh!
Oh,
Hey, get your pockets, twin.
No.
No. It don't.
Oh, yeah.
But we just let y'all niggas know.
Hold on, let me fix the
We just
back.
let y'all know.
Right
We
there.
coming for that cheese. Oh! Bro, she just
Oh
like
my
she got
gosh. Jay just got one in, y'all.
It's cool, twin.
Jay wins the money.
Twin.
I got 500.
I don't know if y'all can see it, but
You got, oh!
yeah.
That's good. You got 200, Jay.
Oh, shit.
Well,
Yeah, 200.
hey.
Yeah, that's fine.
Hey, Jay just took the bag and got the fuck
Jay
out.
said, I'm out.
No.
Left my boys out of there. He said,
My nigga Jay so lost.
ladies and gentlemen, who run the world? Girls. I left out with a good stack.
This shit ain't done.
Look at them. Look, they don't.
Me and you right now, 200.
No, 2 on 2, I got 1,000, man.
Later that night.
Y'all, it's snowing. I don't even think that you can see.
We might gotta go on the balcony. Upstairs.
Okay, y'all. So wait. I haven't really been checking it because we've been having fun, but snowing outside, y'all. It's snowing outside, and I gotta show y'all.
You gotta show the snow for the people who don't get snow, girl. Come on now. Now it's not snowing everywhere. It's cold most places, but some people don't have snow, so we need to see it.
It's just snowing. It's snowing. You know, we've been playing games all day and stuff, you know. I'm gonna put the games on this vlog. You're gonna see, you know, we've been playing games earlier, yesterday and stuff. Oh, wait, I wanna see the snow.
We can do the balcony upstairs.
Okay, we're gonna show y'all the snow upstairs. Let me take this cover, because where is this cover even going? Yes, y'all, so we're having so much fun. It's super cold. The weather didn't drop, of course, because it's snowing and it's raining. So we just gonna hope that we don't be stuck here on Christmas. Ooh, yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. It's snow, y'all. It's what I wanted to see. Y'all, it's snow. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so cold. Oh my gosh, it's cold as hell. Oh, this is beautiful though. Can't see much. Y'all, this shit gonna stick. I can feel it. And they over there still playing games in the front. Y'all look. They not playing with this game. Oh, okay, y'all.
Look at it.
Oh, y'all, okay.
Y'all, it's going crazier. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like a blizzard out there, y'all.
Okay, guys, we did a little better today. Jay making the egg. Taking forever to make them.
Alright, breakfast options, I like it.
That's all I like. Say good morning, JD.
Good morning, y'all.
We was about to eat, y'all.
Hey, girl.
Guess what? The snow did not stick for real. As y'all can see, snow is gone. Like, we really thought we were about to be stuck in the snow. Okay, y'all. Bon appetit. Everybody's still asleep. We just really just woke up and cooked this stuff. We still have something to wake up to. Good smells.
Happy New Year. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. They having a whole lot of fun in that cabin.